Welcome back. So now I'm working on my linen closet. It is a bit chaotic. So this is what I have, 4 sections on each side. So it's a good amount of space. It goes pretty deep, but right now it looks a mess. I'm gonna show you a picture, and I also have Christmas decorations on the floor because they can't fit. So my idea, I picked these plastic tubs up from Dollar Tree, and I like what I have so far on the top. So my towels, I rolled them, the hand towels, the washcloths, I'll fix them up a little bit, spruce them up, but I like how they are. But for the rest, the 3 on the left and the 3 on the right, I'm going to use these tubs, and I'm going to get some chalkboard labels to label them at the end. So these will go into each shelf. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, gotta clean these out, and everything is here. So this was my original idea, to have one on each side, and I just feel like I wasted a lot of space. So I'm going to change it up and add some more. Here we go. Okay, so after configuring things a few times, I like this look, the 3 and 3. And so I need to buy 6 more. And I'll just do 3 more pink and 3 more blue for the bottom 2 shelves, but I like how 3 can fit. So yeah, that's my look now. Okay, so I'm going to add more of the peel and stick in the back of these 2 rows. So I measured the back, and then I'm gonna stick on my pieces. Okay, so now I have all 4 done, and I have some extra, of course. And instead of, but I don't have enough. I don't have enough to cover each floor. So instead of doing that and kind of only having a few done, I'm looking at ways to kind of get creative with the extra. I was thinking about running it this way. I didn't really like it like that. Then thought about running it this way, kind of on top, but you can't really see it. So why not just kind of tuck it down, because there is a little space between here. Tuck it down in between. I'll do it, right? And just kind of wrap it around like this, so that from this view, you'll be able to see it. So that's what I'm gonna do for all 4. It's looking good so far. I like it, I like it, I like it. So I decided to actually keep the toolbox. I could have transferred it over to the other container just so it looks aesthetically perfect, but it just wasn't practical, so it's okay. Now I'm going to add the labels. So I got these chalkboard labels on Amazon. I'm gonna write them up and then add them on, and then we'll be done. Here we go, final shot. Ah! Yes, our towels, washcloth, hand towels, toilet paper, hair box, linens, bag, recovery, miscellaneous tools. This is the final look. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed.